Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to start about the class 6 NCRT. So let's begin. So this is the first chapter of the NCRT, the Earth in the solar system. So let's start this. We'll discuss only the important points that will be relevant for the exam. So yeah, you all know about the full moon or the Purnima night. Like that is once in about a month time. And after the 15 days later, let's say on the 1st of April, there's a Purnima night, and after the 15 days, on the 16th of April, there will be a new moon. And it's a new moon night, or the Amavasya, we can say. So in uh, on that day, there's a no moon in the sky. Everything is black. Next, the sun, moon, and the other all objects shining in the night are called celestial bodies. So these are the celestial bodies: moon, sun, other objects, planets, etc. are the celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are big and hot because these are made of the gases. Are big and hot because these are made of the gases, and they have their own heat and the light. Stars are the example of that. Stars are the example of. Sun is a star, and also sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. But do not feel the heat or the light. They look so tiny, and so they are very very far from us. You must have noticed that all the objects look smaller when seen from the distance, or how small an airplane looks when it's flying at great height. While watching the night sky, you may notice the various patterns formed by a different group of stars. These are the constellations. Like they're the patterns formed by the stars, like Tara and something like that. So these are constellations. Ursa Major or Big Bear is the one of the such constellations. This is a part of MCQ. This will be a part of one of the most easily recognized constellation, the Small Bear or the Saptarishi. The Saptarishi is also a very popular constellation. It's a group of seven stars. Group of seven stars. The north star indicates the north directions. It's also called a pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position with the help of the statistical things. It's always remain the same position in the sky. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. Like some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light, and they are light by the light of stars. They are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetae, which means wanderers. The Earth on which we live is a planet. Yeah, we all. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It's a companion of Earth and moves around it, like our Earth. The solar system. The Sun and nine planets, satellites, some other celestial bodies known as asteroids. Sun, nine planets, satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and the meteoroids. We often call it a solar family, and the sun is head. The sun. The sun is the center of the solar system. Huge and made of the extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of the heat and light for the solar system. Prelims heat is not felt for so much by us. Sun is about 150 million kilometer away from the Earth. Planets. Planet in our solar system in order of their distance from Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. An easy way to memorize the name of planet in order of their distance is my very efficient mother just showed us nine planets. So this is a memory. All the nine planets of solar system move around the sun is as a fixed path. Yeah, they have the fixed distances, fixed paths, and these paths are elongated. They are called the orbit. We say ना अपने ही orbit में घूम रहे हो. So this is something like that. Mercury is the nearest to the sun, and it takes only about 88 days to complete. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It only take about 88 days to complete the one round along with the orbit. Pluto is supposed to farthest till now. Pluto is about 248 years to complete one round. Venus is Earth's twin. Size and shape are very similar to Earth. The Earth, third nearest planet to the Sun. So this is the third nearest planet to the Sun, and in the size, it is fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why the shape is described as a geologue. Geologue means Earth-like. Geoid, sorry. Conditions failure to support life are the probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot or not too cold. So it has the water and the air, which was very essential to Earth's survival. The air has the life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of the deep reason, the Earth is a unique planet. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called blue planet. The Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite. That is Moon. Its diameter is only one quarter. It appears so big. It's near to a planet rather than the celestial bodies. It is about 380 kilometers away from the Earth. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun, and that is from the Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one month. Only one side of the Moon is visible to on the Earth. The Moon does not have the conditions favorable for the life. It has neither water nor air. It has a mountain. The cast shadow on the Moon's surface. Look at the full Moon. Observe this shadow. Asteroid. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous distant bodies which also move around us. These bodies are asteroids. They found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and the largest asteroid is Ceres. Meteoroids. The smaller pieces of rock which move around the sun are called the meteoroids. बेसिकली छोटे छोटे जो पत्थर होते हैं या रॉक्स होते हैं जो ऑर्बिट में या गैलेक्सी में घूमते रहते हैं समटाइम दीज मेट्रोइड्स कम नियर टू द अर्थ एंड टेंड टू ड्रॉप इट डाउन कई बार गिर भी जाते हैं उल्का पिंड बोलते हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन विद द एयर दे गेट हीटेड एंड बर्न जलते हुए गिरते हैं it causes a flash of light sometimes a matter with a completely burnt holes on the earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a whitest bones like white glowish path across the sky? वाइट कलर का एक बोन्ड होता है, मतलब एक बैंड होता है स्काई के अंदर, जिसमें प्लैनेट्स और स्टार्स वगैरह सारे मिक्सअप होते हैं, तो उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? तो दैट इज कॉल्ड मिल्की वे। Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In the ancient India, it was imagined to be river of light flowing in the sky. Thus its name called Akash. The millions of such galaxies that make a universe. So ऐसी millions of galaxies हैं, उनको universe बोलते हैं. This is something like that. So this is the end of first chapter.